Hey Doug, when the pain stops, do I need to still come and see you? Well, the answer is yes. Why? We need to prevent future pain, future neck pain, low back pain, headaches, or joint pain. So for example, if you go to a dentist because you want to fix your smile, so you get braces. So at the end of the treatment, they're going to recommend you to use retainers. So you're going to use the retainer every single night. Why? Because you need to maintain that smile. You pay for it. Okay? So same with chiropractic. We need to prevent subluxations. Subluxation put pressure on that nerve, which is going to create the pain, tension in the muscles, local pain shooting down to your extremity. So we need to prevent those now. We need to keep working on your optimal health and long-term health. So come to Lowe Chiropractic, get an SM, get a plan, and get the result that you're looking for.